I've heard it all. Our conversations got me feeling I'm the fool. Like I should've listened when they said that you would treat me like he did.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, welcome. For my returning subscribers, hey fam, welcome back for yet another video. So first off, I want to say thank you guys for clicking on this video and for watching. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel for all things beauty related. So I post wig installs, wig reviews, and makeup tutorials, mostly, with a sprinkle of other things. So for this video, I am going to be reviewing the wig that I currently am wearing. So this is a Cruella De Vil styled wig. This is really meant to be more of a costume and party wigs. So Halloween is right around the corner because we are almost halfway through September. So we're going to blink and it is going to be Halloween. So if you are trying to get some ideas of what you want to be or who you want to dress up as for Halloween, I'm going to suggest that you be Cruella De Vil. So for this wig, it is a 16-inch synthetic wig. As you guys can see, it is black and white, which is meant to be like Cruella. So it is not a frontal, so it does not come with a lace frontal. It is more of a closure wig. Also, it is 150 hair density, which I think it actually feels a little bit thicker than 150. It's giving more 180, but according to them, it's 150 hair density. On Amazon, the wig is for just $16.99, which is very affordable, even for a synthetic wig, because when you look up party and costume wigs, sometimes they can cost an arm and a leg. I've seen it, and it has upset me. But this wig is actually very affordable. It's easy to put on because it's synthetic. You don't need to go through the whole gluing down the wig process. You can just plop it on your head and you are good to go. It comes pre-styled as well. So it comes with these nice wavy look, which I like. I don't care for straight wigs, but if you wouldn't be able to straighten it, if you wanted it straight, you would have to buy a different wig because it does come pre-styled. I would say this wig is very cute. I like the look of it, especially if you are going for the Cruella De Vil look. This wig actually really embodies that pretty well. I did my makeup inspired by Cruella because I'm like, if I'm going to wear the wig, I might as well do my makeup to, you know, show how I would, if I were to dress up as Cruella for Halloween, how I would do my makeup to match the wig. But I'm not going to speak very long about this. Like I said, I will have all the details in the description box in regards to this wig, as well as the link to it if you are interested in purchasing it. It is from Amazon, so it does come with Prime shipping. So if you have Prime, you will get it within 1 to 2 days, which I always think that is a plus, especially if you do decide to buy this wig last minute, close to Halloween. You know you'll be able to get it really fast and not have any issues. So that is all I have to say on this. I will see you guys in my next one. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already done so. You can also check me out on my other social medias. So on Instagram, it is _Eternal Honesty. I also have a Facebook page that's just Eternal Honesty, same thing as my name here on YouTube. So that's all I have for you guys, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.
Just focus on my